Today's mission, we will install the hex lighting on top of the Lambo in the garage. Let's complete the garage reno. Let's pull this Lambo out and let's get to it. So with the Chamberlain side mount Chamberlain garage door opener, we don't have the old style garage door opener. This will leave a clear area for the hex lighting. So let's get this install going. Okay, so figuring out how I'm gonna lay this out. This is 162 length by the width is 116 inches. And I'm just marking off with the laser how it's gonna fit in here. So pretty much got an idea of where it's gonna start and end. The only thing I might have issue is those garage brackets, but let's keep it moving. This is what it comes with. All these Y connectors, 120-degree connectors, all the light bars that will make up the hexes, and the connectors. So basically, this is just going to go into a live wire. It says red is for the live, blue is for neutral. So I'm assuming this brown one is the live and the blue one would be neutral. So let's test it out. This should be done by a professional electrician, which I'm not. So there's it lit up. And yeah. And it says in the instructions, do not put together with violence. So you gotta put these together very carefully. And that's the first hex. So I got the two hexes, basically how it says on the picture. And I got the measurement, which is the length where I want it to end up to. So I'm gonna use the tiles as a guide and the laser. It's gonna make that straight line there. So I'm gonna mark it with green tape where that line should be. I have it marked out, and we're basically gonna use the help of the laser and the tape, and this is gonna be our starting point. So let's get it up. Okay, so I had to cut away a bit of the bar on both sides, just cut a little hole so it could go through, and continue laying it up. Okay, so following the red laser, got it. I basically put those two and then went across. So I got that straight line that I want, and now I'm gonna connect them going sideways and all the way back. I mentioned there is a very thin film on each of these that you should be taking off. I already took them off. So yeah, just thought I'd mention that. So there's actually holes in here to screw. Okay, so HexLighting has been installed, and pretty simple to install, but the moment of truth, let's plug it in. I got a temporary switch, a temporary plug, but until my electrician gets here to put it on a switch, let's do it. And there we have it. That is really bright. HexLighting is in. Really satisfied with this. Very bright. But I think we need to pull the Lambo in and see how it looks.